Alright, welcome to this lead sourcing SOP. I'm just going to give you a quick overview over the foundation so we can get started lead sourcing as fast as possible. The first step is to create as many trash email accounts as possible. For now, you do not need to know why we do that. Later on in the lead sourcing step, I'll explain to you for what we use it. For now, the only thing you need to know is that you have to create as many trash email accounts as possible. You can use one of the following email providers that I recommended right here, but you can also use different ones if you used other ones in the past. I personally always register in a different window so my emails don't get mixed up. Right here you can see that I'm logged in with the trash email account, and here I'm logged in with my personal email account because I don't want to mix them. I prefer to separate them, but you can handle that however you'd like to. So just create your accounts. It's super straightforward. Create account, put in your data. Right here, click sign up, select the free plan, and then you can sign up right here. The same goes for this email provider. Hit sign up, select the free plan, confirm that you have no other account. Now, one thing that is really important is that you always select a different ending. So right here, the default ending is .com. Select .io or .me because that will tools like RocketReach will require you to put in a business email address, and if you use .com, it will think that it's a personal address. But when you use .io or you use .ch, it will think that it's a business email address. So always select the business email. And create multiple email accounts. After you've done that, you can move on to the next step, which is sign up for Neverbounce. It's really simple. If you don't already have an account, you can create an account right here, put in your name and register. It's really simple, just sign up. The next step is make sure that your Google Drive is set up. I assume that you already have a Gmail or Google account. If you don't already have one, create one right here. And then you also can access your Google Drive right here. It will look like this, and you can create Google Sheets in the top left corner. We need these Google Sheets later on in the lead sourcing step, so you can enter all the lead data that we need. All right, now here you don't really have to do anything. These are just platforms we need to scrape and extract the data for the lead sourcing. The next step is to install all of the following Chrome extensions. Just to give you an example, click on the link, add it to your Chrome account. Now I already have added it, but you can, if you don't already have it, add it to your Chrome account. Add the extension. Now make sure that it's pinned to the top bar. The default will be right here, so you have to click and pin it to the top bar. Now finish the installation by accepting it, hitting next, get started, and now you should be good to go. For now, you do not need to know what all of these Chrome extensions do and how you use them. I'll explain all of that in the lead sourcing step. All right, that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, let me know. And if you have any other useful tools that you use to lead source, you can use them as well. This is just the bare minimum that is required, that you should always use, and if you want to add other things, you can do that. One last thing that I want to show you is how you can create new accounts for RocketReach, because that's a little complicated. If you create an account, a free trial, you can look up 5 emails on LinkedIn. After that, the free trial expires and you'll have to create a new account, but it's not as simple as just logging out and then signing up for a new account in the same window, because RocketReach will recognize that. That's why you will always have to open up an incognito window. So let me show you that. You open up an incognito window, so a private window, and then you go to RocketReach, and then you hit sign up. That's necessary because if you don't open up an incognito window, it will recognize that you registered for a free trial for the second time, and you will have to put in a phone number, but we don't want to put in a phone number. That's why we always open up an incognito window and sign up right here with one of our trash email accounts. After you've done that, when you create a new account right here, it will send you a verification email to your trash email account. Just verify your account so it's active. After your account is active, you can close the incognito window and log in with your new active account right here. All right, that's it. Thank you for your time. See you in the next step.